tab completion, and it's very useful if you learn this tab completion. Okay, let's see what we have. Okay, we are where we are. We are inside the home directory, which is my home directory. If I'm type cd/h, so it will just, I press the tab button and it completed the directory. And if I'm going to press tab one more time, there is only one directory, which is Tariq. That's why it's auto complete this. And what I can do, I can just hit enter. So I am inside the home directory. I just press the ls. You can see I am inside the Tariq directory. So there's one directory. If I'm just press the cd and hit the tab button, you can see it will auto write the directory Tariq over here. This is fine. This is very useful, very handy if you are inside. Let's suppose I am inside the etc. I don't know which directory I need to use. So first I press tab one time, then I press tab again. So 2 times pressing tab, it showed me all the possible directory we have. Like these are all the options I have. So in the etc directory, you can see I have xml, xdg, supercat. So many different directories are available inside the my etc directory. If I just type DEFA, it will autocomplete if you hit that tab button. Okay, so this is how it works. Now try another. If I am inside the, let's use ls, and ls is used like using the cd. We know we go inside the directory, but for files, to list the files and directories, we have ls command. And if I'm going to press ls in etc-re, so you can see it just quickly resolve the resolve command. And if I'm just pressing R and pressing tab 2 times, you can see it will show me all the files that is starting with the letter I. If I'm going to press RC, then it's not going to handle. I just press tab 2 times, so you can see it offered me all the directories of files starting with RC. Okay. So if I'm going to write sudo apt-i, and so it will autocomplete the install, and this is how autocomplete works. And it's worked with the home environment variable as well, like dollar first, then HO, and press the tab. It will show you all the environment variable. If you want to display any environmental variable, then you know you need to use echo and home. Okay, it will show you my home directory. I can use host name. Okay, I just press the tab 2 times, host name. Remember, environment variables always work in capital. Okay, so my host name is Cloud1. All right, so I hope this is going to give you some information. Now you can easily handle the tab completion.